Get a good look at the carburetor. Alright. Check the oil. See where we're at here. That's halfway. You're supposed to check this when it's running, but let's just see if there's anything in it. Oh, there is. We are good in that part. Look at that nastiness. Ugh. Oh wait, I gotta unlock my locking gas cap. Well, there's the new filler neck. No, not leaking. Dumping gas in it now. Getting ready. Should do something. Hopefully it's not a bar. You ready? Yeah. Like I started it yesterday. Fuck yeah. Holy shit! Woo! Sounds pretty smooth. Hell yeah! Oh, put more in it. Hold on. I want to hear it again. You see all the sweat freaking steaming. Try it. Nice. That was a whole lot easier than I thought. All right. First firing up of the old Chevy. Fire right up. Can't believe it. Now I did prime it a little bit with some fuel down the carburetor. Fire right up. As you saw, didn't do much. Bungee strapped the battery to it, got it ready, and that's it. The old dash view. Haven't been in this seat in a long time. See if she'll fire. Good oil pressure. Running like a dream, boys. Alternator's working, 15 volts. Fuel gauge is messed up. Water temp should work. Trans temp should work. Tack works. Let's go check it out. Oh, the timing is kind of right. Just running. Definitely sucking from the fuel tank. Fuel line not leaking. Fuel, everything's sweating right now. It's been a long time. Smoking real bad out of this side. I don't like that. I count this day as a success. Till next time, keep up with the restoration updates.